Welcome to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction to how to approve your pending purchase orders. The fastest way to manage your approvals is through your personal approval list, which you can find on the right-hand side of the menu. Here, you will find all purchase orders, invoices, and expenses for which you are the next approver in the workflow. This ensures that you never miss an approval and helps prevent delays for other users. To learn how to approve invoices and expenses, please watch our other tutorials. Let's take a look at how to approve a purchase order. When you open a PO, you will see the approval chain displayed at the top of the page, showing where the purchase order is currently positioned in the approval process. On the left-hand side, you can review all supplier information. On the right-hand side, you will find details about the person who created the purchase order. By clicking on their name, you can send them an email directly if you have any questions. Further down the page, you will see the purchase order items. If you have been assigned to enter account codes, please enter the appropriate code for each item before proceeding. Once you have reviewed all the information, you can add either an approval comment or a user comment. Any previous comments associated with the purchase order will also be displayed here for your reference. Finally, you can choose to approve or decline the purchase order. In some cases, you may also have the option to send the PO back to a previous approver. If you do so, please remember to include a comment explaining why the purchase order is being returned. If you have any further questions, please contact us at support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or call us at +1 888 67254. We can also arrange a demo appointment for you. Simply contact us via email, and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience.